Hey THS, it's Tuesday. Freshman class t-shirts are for sale. They are $10. The last day to buy them is Thursday, September 26th. You don't get a shirt if you haven't paid. If you are concerned for the environment, animals, or human community, then Roots and Shoots is the club for you. It is an education program where you can learn through service projects. We have an informational meeting on Thursday, September 26th at 7:30 in room 247. If you can attend, stop to see Miss Meacham. Senior Powderpuff players practices will be October 2nd through 3rd at 6 at Winnebago Park, October 5th through 6th at 2 at Winnebago Park. Must attend at least one to participate. Manufacturing Day is on October 4th. The tour will go between Toro, General Stamping, and Mecca. If interested, look in your email for the Google sign-up link. Parents may also attend for free through the Toma Chamber. See Ms. Tupper for details. The Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery, or ASVAB, is administered by the military. The test measures math and reading values and is great prep for the ACT. It will be Thursday, September 26th at 7:55 a.m. Students need to pre-register in the Counseling Center by Tuesday, September 24th. The U.S. Army National Guard recruiter will be in the cafeteria during lunch on Wednesday, September 25th. Please stop by his table to check out opportunities available to you through the military. Congratulations to the Toma varsity girls tennis team for their 4-3 win over Aquinas last night. The win brings their season record to 10-3. Their next match is tonight at West Salem. Toma Girls Golf takes back the NBC Conference Championship. We had 4 ladies on first team and 2 on second team all conference. Sophie Pocola, Player of the Year. Sarah Peterson received the Sarah Mullenbach Award for integrity, passion, commitment, and to the game of golf. So proud of our Toma ladies. JV finished the season in a fun format of 2-person scramble. Toma swept the competition, taking the top 5 places out of 10 2-person teams. Amelia Shanehofer and Maddie Ewers won it with a 41. This Wednesday is See You at the Pole. Come join us around the pole at 7 a.m. to pray for our school and community. There will be free donuts for all who attend. Please hope to see you there. This has been Raina with your afternoon announcements. Have a great afternoon.